learning, ma'am, is for about understanding the self, for about give to example about lesson 2 and lesson 3. I chose lesson 2 about cultural identity. Why it's resonate with me. For me, ang kultura or identity naka-reson with me because it remind me that no matter about what challenges I face, I will always have my friend, my values and family, and culture to guide me being a strong and hopeful even during difficulties times kung saan ako nahihirapan. About my personal example, there were moments when I felt lost and emotionally tired because of personal struggle kung saan mabigat na problema about sa school pressure. During those times, my family reminds me to stay strong and never give up. Their support and the values they taught me help to move forward kung saan ako magpatuloy. About sa pangalawa, Brian Moore's Anthropology of the Self. Why it is resonate with me. This concept resonate with me because it explains that oneself is shaped by our experience kung saan ang aking mga experience every happily and painful of my heart to experience to understanding who am I. About my personal example, I have experienced disappointed that made me question myself. At first, I thought those experience made me weak kung saan ang aking mga kakayahan ay humina. Later, I realized that made to be a stronger, more patient at more understanding of other people. About lesson 3, for about 2 lesson. I choose the biological self. Why it is resonated for myself. This concept with me because I have different side of myself. Sometimes I'm pananaw sa akin na malakas sa labas, but inside in my heart is weakness. About because the pressure of sadness. About different parts of me help to grow. As a student, I try to smile, do my best in class kung saan kahit masaya lang ako pero sa loob malungkot. But there are days when I feel stressed and doubt myself instead of giving up. I remind myself to keep going because every challenges teaches me something about valuable. About I choose about lesson 3 is for about identity struggle. Why it is reasonable. Identity struggle is the concept that resonates with me is the most because there are times kung saan ang aking sarili ay ikumpara sa iba with others and wonder I am good enough. I have learned everywhere has different struggle and I should focus on becoming a better version of myself kung saan ang sarili is maikumpara sa iba kung saan ang aking journey na magkaiba with others. Sample is, there were times I felt disappointed because I did not meet my own expectation in school, in my life. This moment, expectation me sad and question kung saan ang aking sarili ay mapatanong na lang. Kung however, I realized that failure does not define me. It motivates me to work harder. I believe in myself ang and continuing growing kung saan ang aking sarili kailangan kong matutunan kung saan mag-grow. However, mamanatili kong maging strong at ang aking weaknesses ay kailangan ko i-minimize.